Hi, I'm Daru. Today we're installing two tested and rated crack isolation membranes. We're gonna start off with Mapeguard UM, which has the built-in fabric mesh. It's gonna give us greater shear strength to prevent your tiles from cracking. Let's do this, starting over wood. I'm installing a high-performance tile membrane. To do that, you have to use a modified thin set. Now this right here is a critical step. You have to get your mortar just right. This creates a strong mechanical bond.
Okay, that's good.
Now there are two terms that you should absolutely know: uncoupling versus crack isolation. Uncoupling will only protect your tiles up to a point. Let's take a look at the concrete, because this is a problem right now. Now we never tile on concrete or wood because your tiles can crack. So uncoupling means you are separating, uncouple your substrate from your tile to prevent cracking up to a point. This right here is a hairline crack because we know that all concrete cracks, but it's not just one crack. That one crack, if you tile over it, it transfers. The exact same hairline crack will imprint itself in the exact same location on your tile. That is very common. That's called transferring. Okay, we want to avoid this. Can't stress this enough. If you have a hairline crack on your concrete or your subfloor, it can transfer up, straight up through your tile, just like this. So crack isolation prevents hairline cracks up to 1/8 from transferring from your subfloor to your tile, just like this. Most importantly, it is tested and it is rated. And here is what you're looking for as a new engineering standard. I say new, it was introduced in 2005 because of large format tiles. They're under more stress and are more likely to crack. That's why we use crack isolation. So what you guys are looking for prevents transmission of in-plane substrate cracks up to 1/8. That is exactly what you guys should be looking for on your product. What you should know is that tile membranes now are like rated fasteners. Why do we use a rated fastener? Because it's third-party tested and we trust it because it's proven. We know what it can handle. Same with tile membranes now. We have the testing, we know what they can handle. They're ANSI rated. So just like the rated fastener and my fire rated drywall, we don't question these things because we have the testing that backs up the science. That gives us confidence, and that is why I always look for those ANSI ratings. Because concrete cracks, crack isolation is standard and essential over concrete before tiling. I'm spreading out a modified mortar to get a full continuous bond, so my membrane bonds perfectly. I'm installing Mapeguard UM35 over concrete because it is a smarter choice for homeowners and DIYers. I'll break that down in a minute, but first, most people miss this. You have to get the mortar right first. Now, the most important thing to get right with your mortar is this. I'm using Ultraflex 2. Let's take a look at the back of the package. It says waterproofing membranes. You want to go on the highest side of the water ratio. Do not exceed it. You do not want to use that one. Okay, that's for tile installation. Ignore it. You want to do the waterproofing membranes. Now I'm setting the tile membrane into the mortar bed. I'm using a lot of force here to embed my tile membrane into the wet mortar.
Okay, we're gonna peel back the membrane here. Okay, see that? All that stickiness shows we have good bond coverage there. Lay that down and we're gonna go over that now that we've disturbed it. We've got good coverage, that's excellent.
Now I'm applying mortar along my seams to make this a waterproof bathroom floor. And then I'm going to apply my seam tape. This will work with Mapeguard UM or the UM35. Now, why I chose this membrane has to do with the fabric reinforcement. Now, once I added the mortar on top of this literally gave me a strong mechanical bond. It is actually tested to have greater shear strength than Ditra. Why that matters is your shear force is the #1 force that will crack a tile. It's that shear force. Now, Mapeguard UM and the UM35, those are both products from Mapei. It is a brand that I use a lot here on the channel. I also want you to know there's 2 other brands that are also high performance ANSI rated North American brands. Mapei is Italian, by the way. And those 2 brands would be Latacrete and also Custom Building Products of sort of the big brands. And we use those products on the channel. My recommendation, you choose a brand that you are comfortable with and that you have confidence in, because that is what matters. Once you determine your price, you will go with either a rigid membrane like the UM35. I personally found that very easy to install without any special tools, or you can go with a more flexible membrane. These are very popular. I do recommend though a 75-pound roller if you go with a flexible membrane like this, so you can embed it really well. You should also know the term uncoupling. It has never been third-party tested in North America. There is no ANSI standard for uncoupling as of today, so that is why a lot of people look for the crack isolation rating. Is it important to you? Have your say in the comments. That's what we want to know. I'm Daru. I will see you in this video over here where clearly it will be ANSI rated and high performing.